In this video, I will show you how to copy trade in expert option. So in order to copy trade here, what we can do is we can just input right here the investment that we want. So in here, you can also just copy a person's investment. So for example, right here, I have $100. So let's choose in here an investment that we want to actually copy. So let's also buy and copy this person right here. So I am actually late a few seconds. And if this actual person loses something, I will also lose this. If they earn, I will also earn. So the goal is to stay on top of it since I actually bought something. If I sell something, we need to stay below this. So let's wait for this right here. And let's hope that by this line ends, we are actually above the threshold. So let's wait for this. And as you can see, I have earned something through this copy trading. So copy trading is a double-edged tool, so you need to consider who to copy trade.